Today we have just inaugurated the EV charging station courtesy of MG Motor, and we are very happy to have enlisted in that community of EV friendly community, and we are very grateful to MG Motor, and I am sure that our community will benefit from this EV charging station in the future, and I hope today will mark as a remarkable day as a step towards the globalization of EV charging. So once again, thank you to the entire team of MG Motor.
Good morning, and I'm very pleased to be here in Trinity World, and we are a joint venture with Trinity World and MG Motor that introducing the charging station here. And actually, this is the carbon neutral step from India that we are getting this great opportunity for installing this charging station here. And also thanking the residents of this Trinity Park.